All the conventional methods we mentioned in this video have certain pros and cons. However, few common downsides to these methods are that they are extensively time-taking, need manual monitoring, and the collective data collected by telescopes are plenty to sort through. This is why a research team at the University of Warwick, led by David Armstrong, has created an algorithm, or in simpler terms, an artificial intelligence to sort through the copious amounts of observation data. Researchers use NASA's Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite, or TESS, to study the data. To put it simply, a dip in the brightness indicates that something is passing by a star. It doesn't always have to be a planet, but it helps narrow down the search. This led to the research team creating a machine learning algorithm that was applied to NASA's Kepler mission and was able to differentiate planets from other celestial objects. The algorithm was a big breakthrough, as the AI was able to confirm as many as 50 planets. The AI's efficiency has allowed scientists to focus their resources and time on confirmed planets instead of wasting their time trying to identify new ones with a longer method used till now. This will also help them rank planets that can have a similar atmosphere to the Earth. Rather than saying which candidates are more likely to be planets, scientists can now say what the precise statistical likelihood is. Where there is less than a 1% chance of a candidate being a false positive, it can be considered as a validated planet. The algorithm is still in its early phase despite the breakthrough. However, it will be further used on the ginormous amount of data collected from projects like TESS and ESA's planned Plato mission. The Warwick research team is still working on the algorithm, and once the AI is completed, it will be much easier and quicker to find future potential exoplanets. And the more discoveries the AI will find, the more it will learn from them, and the more powerful it will become. Who knows, maybe one day the AI will find the perfect home for humanity after we leave Earth to expand our horizons. Do you think it's possible? And how soon will it happen? Tell us in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching Factnominal.
If you've seen your fair share of Hollywood movies, you've probably come across some ridiculous lies about space.
So much. I need to teach you about this planet.
Whether it's Academy Award-winning masterpieces or just some trash content, media related to space always seems to get one thing or another wrong. In this video, we'll be going through 10 lies you were told about space. Number 10, Mercury is the hottest planet. This is one common misconception that surprisingly a lot of people have. Since Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, many people tend to assume that it would also be the hottest planet in our solar system, but that's actually not true. The sunny side of Mercury can reach an average temperature of up to 800 degrees. As hot as that may be, it pales in comparison to the average temperature on Venus, which is at around 900 degrees, and it can get much hotter than that on a particularly sunny part of the planet. Venus is hotter than Mercury due to its much thicker atmosphere that traps all of the heat within the planet. Venus's atmosphere is made